Hi everyone, welcome to another video from West Cork Beard Company. It's Monday morning and I'm going to show you my beard care routine, my morning beard care routine. I haven't done anything to my beard yet, just after getting up, so I'll show you exactly what I do. First thing we do is we're going to wash our beard. So tap goes on. I'll bring you through all the steps from what I do first thing in the morning until I walk out the door. So we're going to wet the beard first. I'll be coming up and down a little bit on this one. So beard is nice and wet. Then we get our beard soap and we're going to get that into a nice lather and really get into the beard as well. Remember to drink lots of water when you get up first as well, just kind of to rehydrate your body and your beard. So that's a nice lather there. So we're going to really get into the beard on this one. So don't just concentrate on my beard, I go on my face as well. Underneath. Want to get rid of any of that dry skin as well. So I really kind of scrub with the fingers, so the fingers go into the beard and I really get in there on this one. Okay, that's a nice lather there, as you can see. So now let's wash that off. And I do this daily. Some people say not to wash your beard every day, but I do it absolutely every day because of all the sweat and the pollution that your beard is picking up from outside, and just the food you're eating as well. So it's nice to have a nice fresh clean beard first thing in the morning. So let's wash that off. Okay, bit by bit I'll get rid of this. Okay, a few more. Get rid of it by the ear. Okay, I should have a few camera angles, but I've only one camera to do this. Okay, last little bit. Down here, washing away. Okay, that's good enough. I'll get my towel and just dry out that beard. Now, a lot of guys question me and ask me, should they put beard oil on a wet beard? And I don't. You'll see now how I towel dry it fairly vigorously. Okay, underneath, all over. Obviously, if you have a smaller beard, the drying process is a little bit easier, but with a longer beard, you have to spend a few moments at it. Okay, so that's good enough. That's good enough. So yeah, it's just a little bit damp, barely. Yeah, I would say damp. So next thing, I gotta look after my skin as well. So just first of all, before I touch my beard, I put on a little bit of moisture on my cheeks and forehead. Sometimes I have a tendency to get a little bit of red skin just around my nose here, so a bit of moisturizer. That's number one. Okay, after that's done, just get a little bit on the neck as well, just underneath the beard, where you would usually be shaving with your razor, on the cheeks and on the neck. A bit of moisture there works wonders. Okay, now we're on to the beard. If you've been watching my videos, you know that I cracked my comb yesterday on a tile floor, so I'm going to replace it once I get back, still in Madrid. So we're going to kind of use this guy. We're going to comb up now first, or even if you have a brush, you're going to brush up. That's just kind of to open things up and let me at the skin underneath the beard. So this is what I do. Comb it right up. And now we're going to get the beard oil, and we're going to start with the beard oil first. This is what I do, always to moisturize the skin underneath the beard. And guys always give me grief about how much beard oil I'm using as well, but it's a personal thing. Sometimes they say I'm using too much, sometimes they say I'm using too little, but you gotta find out what kind of feels right for you. I'm pretty hefty with the amount of beard oil I use because of the size of my beard, and sometimes I have a tendency to get a little bit of dry skin if I don't really kind of moisturize it up nicely. So really get in there with the fingers, and you're aiming for that skin with the beard oil. I'm gonna go one last few drops. There we go. And now let's get that top lip area. And now whatever is left in your hands, rub together, going from ears to chin on that one. And whatever's left, I put it either on my hands or on my head or on my arms, elbows, anywhere you can, you know, anything place that needs a little bit of moisture. Okay, so ideally now you're going to get your comb again or brush and brush that beard all through. That's it. Beard is starting to look a bit better for sure. Okay, today I'm in a little bit of a rush, so usually I advise you to wait about 10 minutes between putting on your oil and your balm, but I'm just going to try on my balm now straight away. You know, sometimes I go off and have a cup of coffee and then come back and put on my balm, but this time I'm going to go straight into it. So dropping on the floor is never good. So today I'm using the cinnamon. I brought the cinnamon balm and the oil on my travel, so I'm matching those up. Yes, both of them smell very good. So there's the balm. Back of the nail, of course, as always. If you follow me, you know, always back of the nail, never finger. Back of the nail, transfer the palm of your hand like so, and then rub them together. It goes on solid, and then it goes on your hands liquid like that, and you start from your ears to chin. You can get that scent straight away. Now with a beard like this, I really kind of smash it down as much as I can, just to get rid of those wispy hairs. Okay, that's all I need on the beard, and then just for, like I said, I've got kind of big beard, so I just need another small little bit. This time on the fingers, just for my moustache. If I'm not using moustache wax, I've already put on beard oil, so I advise you, if you are using beard oil, to, you know, putting moustache wax straight onto beard oil isn't going to be very good. The hold isn't going to be as strong as it should be. So if I want a little bit of hold, I just use a little bit of beard balm, and that works okay throughout the day, as long as you twist it every now and then. So right, let's comb through one more time. Comb it through one more time, just kind of spread out that balm a little bit. Beard is smelling good. Beard is starting to look good as well. And you know, when you do this routine in the morning, you know that your beard is going to be well moisturized, well looked after. It's going to feel great as well. So what we did is, now look, there we have it. Beard looking much better, and you're ready to head out the door feeling confident and feeling good. So what do? We washed our beard, number one, then we kind of put on my little bit of moisturizer on my face, looking after that skin, then went on to the beard oil, and then finished up with a little bit of beard balm again. I'm rubbing the excess beard balm on my hands. I'll also put that on my head as well. So just wanted to come on this morning and show you my morning beard care routine. It's usually the same, especially if I'm going out and about and I'm meeting people want that have that beard looking really, really good. I do kind of put in a little bit of beard butter as well most days, but if I do want it to kind of hold more, especially with the weather here as well in Madrid, the balm is very, very good for kind of keeping it kind of a little bit set and a little bit held in place more than the beard butter. So that's the video for this morning. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one.